Joe Lee is a YouTuber and he is popular for being a great vlogger and director. Joe Lee is a Korean-American YouTuber and the patriarch of the MAZELEE channel. Joe is comfortable in various fields of art other than developing video vlog. His channel was a Shorty Award finalist in the category of partnering or family. He even makes people laugh by making comedy videos. He would raise 7 children with Alena, including 4 from Alena's previous marriage. Joe has also worked as a director of photography, a street photographer, and photojournalist for various cinematic vlogs. Joe Lee and Alena Maze are the co-stars of the MAZELEE Family YouTube channel. Joe has 8 children, 3 with his wife Alena and 4 with Alena's first marriage. Joe started his YouTube journey in 2015. He and Alena vlogged about their life as a multicultural family like Nikki and Jamie Perkins. Alena Maze is a living example of a person who breaks stereotypes, racism and cultural differences. Every new fan of the couple is eager to know the number of kids the power couple have together with their kids' names and ages, and already obsessed fans keep asking themselves if they have welcomed a new baby into their family. They reconnected again when they were a little older, but it took a second time of losing touch before they realized what they meant to one another. Finally, on their third serendipitous encounter, they gave their relationship another try. Alena Maze and Joe Lee are a popular YouTube couple who bring high-quality family-oriented multicultural media. While revealing the dynamics of a multicultural blended family and a Black and Korean relationship, the couple transparently expresses their struggles and successes through cine vlogs. Joe is well known not only on YouTube but also on social media. Joe enjoys in his job and continues to try the best he can. That is the reason why most people know Joe Lee as a famous YouTuber with an impressive fan base.